Hi everyone, so let us look at this wonderful second order differential equation. Now the question says solve the equation the y squared the x squared minus 6 dy dx plus 13 y equal to 0, right? Now when you look at this, let me just read the principle here. If the root of the auxiliary equation, these are complex number, that is my root is alpha plus I beta, M2 is what? Alpha minus what? I beta. Now let me solve this one without wasting our time. Here now let me just say let that assumption solution, let y equal to e raised to power what? ms. Note the y dx is also equal to what? Y prime, okay? That is y prime prime can be what? The y square over what? The x square, okay? Now this one, now let me find the first derivative of this one. This one will be what? Y prime. Now differentiate ms, we are going to have m here, used for what? Mx. Now the second derivative here will be what? Just differentiate this one again. This one will be what? M square into what? E raised by what? Mx. Now look at this equation now. Let me put all the value here now. I can say m square e raised by mx minus, look at this one, 6m e raised by what? Ms plus 13 e raised by what? Mx, right? Now let me factorize this exponential out. We have e raised by mx into m square minus 6m plus 13. Now everything is equal to what? 0. Note that e raised by mx is not equal to what? 0, okay? Now we can have, I can say m square minus 6m plus 13 equal to what? 0. Now let me now solve this one quadratically, okay? Now here now let me just use this formula. I can see my a is what? Coefficient of m, my b is what? Minus 6, and my what? C is equal to what? 13. To get this m here, let me just apply this quadratic expression. Minus b plus or minus square root of what? B square minus 4ac over what? 2a, okay? Now here is my what? My b, which is minus 6. This one will be minus minus plus or minus. We have minus 6 square, right? Minus 4 times what? My a is 1 and my c is what? 13, okay? Everything divided by what? 2a. My a is what? 1. We can have this one be what? 6 plus or minus. This one is what? Minus 6 times minus is 36. Minus what? 52, okay? This one is 52, right? Over 2. My m here can be what? I can have 6 plus or minus. This one will give us what? So 36 minus 52. This one will give us minus 16 over what? 2. Now note, square root of minus 1 is equal to what? Complex number, which is what? I. That is, I can have plus or minus. This one will be what? 4i over what? 2. You can have what? This one will now be what? 3 plus or minus what? 2i, okay? Now by equation now we have gotten the what? My m. Now recall that my general equation will now be what? We can have e raised by what? Look at this one now. We have alpha x. Let me show you here. This is what I'm saying here. So look at this expression here now. Okay, alpha x into what? We have c1 into what? Cos beta x plus what? C2 sine what? Beta x. Now let me break this thing down for you guys. Here now we have here my alpha here is what? 3, put it straight away. And your beta here is the coefficient of complex number high, okay? Beta is equal to what? 2 here, okay? Now we can have my y to be y equal to e raised power. What do we have here? We have my alpha is what? Is what? 3, don't forget, 3x into c1 plus my beta is what? 2x plus c2 into what? Sine 2x, okay? Please kindly follow, like, comment, and share. Bye.